All right, this is just a quick down and dirty video tour. This is some pantry storage on both of these racks. Other than that, the garage is mine and the garage fridge. Corner gonna be for storing taller stuff. Got this black rack back in here I'll be able to utilize. This is my new Harbor Freight workbench that I built. Unfortunately, it's the only place I found to store my miter saw. You don't realize how big this is until you have to move it around a few times. This is primarily laser stuff and miscellaneous in my mod box stacks. Back in here, you see that's my laser. This is a workstation for my laptop when I'm doing stuff on my laser. These both have to stay in here, and there's a shelving unit back in there that I can utilize. The black rigid stack is all of my lathe accessories. There's my lathe right down in there with my Ryobi folding workbench right in front of it. And then I've got my mini fridge, of course, and my toolbox.